So the day is finally here and I don't even know what to do. Hi guys, so I know that I have not been letting you guys know what is going on, but it's been crazy. This last few months have been insane. I've been trying to stay consistent. I've been trying to like post, but it's just been absolutely insane. And you guys already know what's been going on. I don't need to let you know. I'm currently in my floor. So the day is finally here and I don't even know what to do. Like, I don't even know what to say either. Like, I'm literally like packing right now and I don't even know what to take, what to do. Like, I don't know. And I know that I do have some friends that do watch my vlogs, and I'm okay with that. I cannot be okay with it because I put myself out there. I probably look ridiculous to some people. People are probably cringing. Like, it could be weird, like seeing your friend like talking to a camera or like about her life or whatever, you know. But this is just what I do, and I'm just not gonna stop just because people, you know. So I'm just gonna let you know, if you're my friend and you watch my videos, good luck with that. But all right, so I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. I don't know where to put my camera though. Like, all right, let me find where to put my camera. I've been working out so much, as you guys know, and I literally, like, I can't even sit in the floor right now because my butt hurts. All right, so like I said, I'm packing right now, and so I want to show you guys some of the things I bought and what I have planned for graduation. Like, it's crazy. I cannot believe it's been 2 months and like 2 months in a week or something. So I already have my luggage. I went shopping. I bought some things I want to show you guys. I want to let you guys know what I'm doing, how I'm getting ready. Like it's literally like I'm gonna be flying soon. Is that a spider? Oh my god, I freaking hate spiders. Hold on. I thought it was gonna get away from me. I got it. Okay. Alright, so I got these little things from Family Dollar for my hair, because you guys know I have curly hair, and these kind of help when you want to do like a little poof in the front. So I got this. I also got some toothpaste and some Listerine, of course. Oh, and I did my nails. Like, who am I, right? Like, I did finally my nails. What else did I get? Oh, okay, so I went to Dan's or something. It's a store. It's kind of like rainbows. It's like really cheap and stuff like that. And I saw these sandals. They had these, and don't they look cute? Like, I don't know, am I the only one that like these? They look very like nice. So I got these, and they were $10, so they look really nice with the dress I'm gonna be wearing. You guys have to see. I've bought so many clothes to, like, I don't know what to wear when I'm there. Like, I want to like make a good impression, and you know, I lost weight, so it's like I want to go as best as I can. That's why I did my nails. So yeah, that's gonna go perfectly with the dress that I have. And then I also bought these little things for the shoes, just because I kind of got like this thing in my feet, right? Because I wear my shoes without these, and I'm starting to feel a little like kind of freaked out. So I bought these just so I could protect my feet from anything. And if I keep talking like this, is because the stress and the anxiety, like, is literally like giving me like, it's like I'm breaking out, right? And I got a cold sore right here inside my mouth, and it went away. And I'm like, I don't want to go to graduation and see him like with cold sore. So it went away, and then I got one in my tongue today, like days before. So I'm trying to like brush my teeth as much as I can, put Listerine, and just like, so it could go away, because I do not want it. And that takes like 5 days to go away, and I don't have 5 days. All right. So the next thing I bought, where is it? So it's like really annoying when you have curly hair and you can't really like take full-size products. So I was trying to find everywhere like my favorite hair products. I was trying to find like a smaller version so I won't need to like put my actual products in like those little containers. Like I don't know, I don't like that. So I was trying to find something small, so I couldn't find it, but I did find this, and I don't think that they'll throw it out for me. I don't know. It's 5.1 fluid ounce, and I don't know, I might need to hide it because I think they're gonna throw it out. But this is how it looks like, and it does say anti-humidity smoothing milk. And where I'm going, the base that he's in is really hot and humid, so there's a 24-hour frizz resistant. So I don't know, I'm gonna try it out. And that's pretty much what I bought. And also, like, you know, I did my luggage and everything. I have everything that I need. I also did purchase a lot of things from Shein, and I got this necklace from Shein. I'll show you guys. I put a picture here how the necklace looks like. I also got this necklace also from Shein. I don't know if you can see that. I also got this one. I don't know, I'm trying to see it like that. And then I also printed a picture for us so I could take it to him, and I love this picture. Look how nice. It looks so pretty. I'm just gonna give him that so he can put it in his locker. What else did I buy? And I pretty much have everything. And guys, I love this. This is so nice. Look at this. Look at this. Do you see this? Look how cool. Look how cool. Freaking love this shirt. I got it on Amazon. I'll put the link down below if you guys want it. But what the heck is this? Okay. But look, it's literally so freaking cute. And I got it in a big size because I don't like to be tight. The quality's okay. It's not the best, but it's so cute. So this is what I'm gonna be wearing one of the days when I'm there. And I don't want to show you the outfits because, you know, I want him to be surprised, and like I don't want everybody to know before I post pictures. But that's pretty much what I have so far in my luggage. I don't know what I'm missing. Like, I'm starting to start freaking out. And I also bought these sandals to wear with one of the dresses, and look how freaking cute. I got them at JCPenney, and look how nice, right? I got them at JCPenney, and they were literally like $7, and I was like, yes, yes. And I also got little tiny heels. I don't know why I want to wear them, you know. I don't think I'm gonna wear it, but I got these in Marshalls a very long time ago, and they're really small. It's not really that bad. But yeah, I'm gonna try to wear it. I'm gonna try to look as cute as I can, you know. But yeah, that's pretty much what I bought her to go to see my husband finally. He does stay there for a couple more months, but I'm so excited, and I'm finally going. Oh my god, like he called me today and I was literally like, oh my god, like I'm gonna see you soon. Like, it was crazy, but I'm excited. I cannot wait, and it's totally crazy. Like, I'm gonna film everything. I'm gonna make sure I have everything, have pictures. I'll let you guys know. And I honestly don't know how I did it. Like, the days just flew by. Like, I had very bad days, very bad nights that I couldn't even sleep and stuff like that, but you know, I'm not gonna get into that. But it was super hard, and I just think it was just mainly God. Is that another spider? Bruh. Yeah, so in the summer here, like, the spiders love coming in, like, so annoying. But yeah, I think the main thing was like God and friends, family. That was the only way. And like, I don't even know how I did it. Like, I don't know, like it was horrible. Like, you really have to put yourself in a schedule, and you have to fight with your mind not to get upset, not to get depressed. Like, it's literally, you have to work with it. It's not gonna happen in itself, and it's literally so, it's not good. It's the hardest thing ever. But mainly for me, focusing on God was the most important thing, and our goal. And I'm someone that will literally stress because I don't know what's gonna happen in our life in like the next 5 months. So I started, instead of looking at graduation, I started focusing on like moving away, deployment, where we're gonna live, and that kind of just freaked me out. And You can't think like that. You can't go ahead. You have to live in the, with the military, you have to live in the moment. With everything, you have to live in the moment. Like, don't, they could literally change everything. Like, I literally have like 12 reservations for when I go see him right now, because you never know what's gonna happen. Like, you have to, like, should I get a car? Should I stay on base? Should I stay out base? Should I put insurance on the car? Like, what should we eat? Like, problems, and like, it's a lot. You never know. It's really crazy. So you just, I don't know. If you want to know how I did it, like, please let me know and I'll make a video of exactly how I did it. I sucked at a lot of stuff, but it's just what it is. And don't expect anybody to understand you. Don't expect people to be nice just because they're going through something, because it's not gonna happen. Like, people are not gonna be nice, and it is what it is. So that's all I have for you guys. I don't know what else to pack, because I don't know. I'm just like, I need to do laundry too, and I didn't do laundry. Like, I'm literally a hot mess. Like, I have no idea what my life is gonna be. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. God bless you, and stay safe, and then I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.